which states there the name of the guest, the room number, the description of the shirt or the garment, and then the amount, and as well as the garment plastic. We also have here the receipt and the pen.
Sure.
Okay, so before we start the demo, see to it that the proper handling of the garment is like this. You should hang the hanger here. Okay? And also the receipt should be like this. Okay. Good morning, ballet service. Good morning, ballet service. Door. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I am your ballet attendant for today, and I am here to deliver your well-pressed iron cloth. Where do you want me to put this, ma'am? Inside your closet or on the top of your bed? Okay, ma'am, on the top. By the way, ma'am, here is your receipt amounting 250 pesos. How do you want to settle your account, ma'am? Is it in cash, credit card, or charge into your room account?
Charge into my room account.
Okay, ma'am. Kindly affix your signature here, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, do you want me to do anything else, ma'am? Do you want me to polish your shoes or open your window to brighten up your day?
No.
Okay, ma'am. If you need more assistance, don't hesitate to dial 001 for the housekeeping department, and we are pleased to serve you. So, thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Sure.
Okay, so now that's the end of our demonstration. That's the actual demonstration of the ballet service. Now it's your turn to make your own video of demonstrating the ballet service. Just follow the instruction after this.